How to copy candles in TradingView. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy candles in TradingView. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and search for TradingView from here, and after coming to the official website, you just have to simply log into your account. And after logging in, you have to just select a chart from here. Let's go with this NVIDIA chart and expand it. And after expanding it, let's do this. And as you can see, we have to select the option from here, the patterns option. No, not the patterns option. It's called the projection, that is. So we just have to select bars pattern from here, and after that we have to select the candle we want to copy. So let's just select this one. As you can see, the lang candle is now copied. You can just paste it where you like to paste and use it as you wish, and it's best for beginners who recently started the trading in TradingView. So that's it for this video. Guys. See you on the next one.